This room is getting ready to get a new makeover. Get ready to get some new walls, new paint color in this room. Get rid of this oatmeal color wall. Give this room some beauty, some character. Make it look nice. See my son's toys over there on the floor. But yeah, we get ready to continue to get back to remodeling this space. Y'all look. This is how you trim out that room while you're painting. So I like to trim out a certain amount of it first. Do the trim work first. Hey y'all, I am no professional painter, but I do enjoy painting. I love to be able to trim out a room before I paint the walls. So that's what I'm doing right now, using my 2-inch angle brush to trim out the walls. So when I finish trimming out the walls, then I'll begin to paint. See you soon. I have officially just about done painting this room. This is my son's room. I'm painting it and getting it ready for a makeover as well. I'm about done painting this room for today. I think I'm going to take a break and relax a little bit. But yeah, I got this room painted. I will show this room once it's all dry. So y'all stay tuned. This girl's got a lot of work to do. My Lord.